Hello, and welcome to New York Times Hard Sudoku for Monday, October 23rd. And we're gonna start off with our ones. Do you ever have one of those days, ooh, we get a 1, where you're just feeling a little I'm definitely having an day. But they occur, those things happen. All right. Those are all the candidates I see for 1. And now we're gonna go to 2. We don't have a whole lot for 2. We are going to go to 3. Candidates for 3. All right, now candidates for 4. We like that one. Boop, boop, boop. What else we have for 4? 2. Boop, boop. Anything else? All right, and now we go to 5. All right, that's our candidates for 5. We check out our candidates for 6. And I believe that's all our candidates for 6. 7. Ooh, between these 3, puts our 7 here. And then I believe that's all of our 7. So now we're looking at candidates for 8. And none are popping out immediately. So we're gonna go to our candidates for 9. Okay, we do have this row. And if you look at this column, this one cannot be 9. This one can't be 9, this one can't be 9. Therefore, one of these 3 must be 9 for that column. And really quickly, we're just gonna go back through, check our 1. So we're gonna focus on this square. So we have other candidates for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are already there. We don't have anything extra for 6, 7, 8, and we don't have anything extra for 9. Now, there's a couple things we can do. Let's check out this square right here. We know it cannot be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It can be an 8, but it can't be a 9. So the only thing available to this square is 8. Let's check out this one. We know it cannot be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It can be an 8 and it cannot be a 9. So the only thing available to this square is an 8. Now this is the tricky part, and this is the crux of the problem. Look at this column here. This whole column. We're gonna fill it in. So 1 is already filled in. The only places for a 2 is here, here, and here. The only places for a 3 is here, here, and here. So if we can find one more number that can only go in these 3 places, then it will block those 3 places out. So 2, 3, 4 is already taken. 5 can go here, it can go anywhere down here. So that doesn't quite help us. 6s can go almost anywhere. 7's already there. 8s, now 8 blocks out up here. 8 can go here, here, or here. So check it out. We have this square, and this square. We're in that column. 2, 3, and 8 can only go in these 3 squares, which means the only thing that can go in these 3 squares are 2, 3, or 8. So for example, if a 9 goes here, Well, there's only two possible spaces for a 2, a 3, and an 8, which doesn't fit. Therefore, 9 cannot go here. Therefore, 9 has to go here, which means the only place for 1 to go because of these two is here. The only place for 6 to go because of this row and these guys is here. So if 1 is here, that means 1 has to go up here because it can't go there. And if 6 is going to go here, so because of this, when 6 goes up, 6 has to go here because it's the only place left. 5 has to go here because it's the only place left, and 4 has to go here because it's also the only place left. That leaves us one little tiny square where we're going to put our 9. And we're going to continue. So we're going to fill in these two squares with our candidates. This can be an 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. It can also be a 5. 6, 7, 8, 9. So this square can only have a 5. Oh no, it can also have a 3. My mistake. So I don't know what it is yet. So we have a 1 and a 1. So we're gonna fill in our 1s here. 1, 2, 3. And then between this 4 and this 4, we go 4, 4, which means this cannot be a 3. So our 3 goes here. Which means between this 3 and this 3, our 3 goes here. And between this 3 and this 3, we have another one here. All right, now let's fill in some more candidates. We have this 3 and this 3, so we're gonna do 3s this way. That's all I got for right now. All right, let's look at this square. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 can go any of those, so we don't know what our 6 is yet. 7 and an 8. So between this 8 and these two are blocked because they can, this 8 and this 8. It's a whole lot easier to explain it that way. 8's got to go here. So between this 8 and this 8, we have our candidates. And then we also have other candidates with this 6. We have these candidates. And between this 6, these 6s and this 6, that makes this must be a 6. And then that means between these two and these two, this one has to be a 6 as well. What else? Oh, with an 8 here, that means this has to be 6, which means this cannot be 6. 6 goes there, 5 has to go there, and the only one left is a 9. Which means between this 9 and this 9, we have a 9 here. Boop. And boop. All right, that means for this column, the only 2 that are missing is a 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and a 7. Okay, and that means between this 7 and this 7, that has to be 7. And let's see, what else are we missing? Between this one and this one and this one, we have 1s, 2, 3, 4s, 5s. All right, so, all right, let's take a look. 5, 5, so we can put 5s here. And then we know that 5 has to be on the bottom here. And 5 has to be up here, so then we have 5s here, which means this cannot be a 5, and this has to be a 5. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So we have a 3, 4, and this is going to be our other 3, 4. Oh, nope, this can't be 4 because of this one. So 4 can't go up here, and 4 can't go here. So we have a 4 here, and that makes this have to be a 3. So because of this 3, we have this 3 here. And because of this 3, this is not our 3. All right, let's look at this then. So that leaves 2, 1, 2, 3. It leaves 4, 5, 6, 7, and it leaves 8. Alrighty. Oh, we have an empty square here. Silly us. 1, 2, 3, 4. Which means 4, which means 1, which means 1, which means 5, 8, 6. And then the only one left is a 7. 7 here, 2 up here. So, oh, actually this can be a 2, can't it? Yeah, we have to be very careful. Although the only thing left here is an 8. So we know that this is not an 8 and this is not an 8. All right, beautiful. See, now we are zooming right along. Feeling better already, right? All right, we have a 7 here and a 7 here. So let's just throw in some candidates over here. We have a 2 here, so it'll be nice to just have a 2, 2, 2. 3, 4, so we have a 4, 4, and a 5, 5, 5 between this one and this one, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, well, oh, so the only thing that can go in this square, I believe, is a 4, right? Yeah, because it can't be a 1, 2, 3. We can have a 4, can't be a 5, 6, 7, and 8, or a 9. So let's throw this 4 in here. This cannot be a 4, this can't be a 4, and this can't be a 4. Which means the only thing that can go here is a 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we throw in our 2 here, and we take out our 2's from here. Beautiful, we take out our 2 from here. What next? The only thing that can go here is a 7, because if you look at this column, the only thing missing is a 7, 6, but this square can't be a 6. So this has to be a 7, which means the 7 goes here and the 6 goes here. So this can't be our 7. All right, 7s are kicked as well. Let's take a look at this. So we know this can't be 8. So 1 is on the board, 2. We have a lot for 2. 3, boom. Oh, actually, this can't be a 3 either. So 3, 3. Actually, we'll come back to that. There's lots of places for 2's to be. So 3, 4. We have this 4, we have this 4, and we have this 4, so the only place for 4 to be is here, which means this has to be our 3, which means this cannot be a 3, and our 3 must go here, which means our 2 has to go here, and our 5 here, which means with this our 2, 2 goes here, which means this is not our 2, this has to be our 2. The only thing able to go here is a 9, and our 5 goes up here, which means our 9 can't go there, and our 9 goes up here. It also means do this 5. Our 5 goes here. The only thing left is an 8. Here's our 4 and 8. 8 and 4. And there we go. And that is the trick. The trick is the triple in that column of 2 3/8. Good luck, and thank you for